Well, happy Monday, everybody. And again, shout out to our class captains for stepping up and helping out with class today. Remember, tomorrow through Friday, I'll be out. So, a special shout out to our class captains for that time. Make sure that you're giving them respect and doing what they say within reason, of course. So, hopefully, you can get some stuff done Tuesday through Friday. I'm sure that won't be a problem. You guys are seniors. You guys know what the drill is. So here's the warm up. So that's the first thing we're going to be getting to. I'm not sure if they were able to do that first or if they're going to just hit pause right now, but make sure you're taking a look at those two questions. All right, so then we're going to be going on to a little discussion about some competing democratic values in relation to the political parties. So that'll help you out with your summative. You can see, guys, that as we get into the assignment for today, um, well, I did want to give you guys a little bit of a chance to be able to kind of wrap up the last assignment from Friday. We had a few people that have some questions about that, some wonderings, but then we are going to be going into 312. So more than anything, make sure you've got 312 up on your computers from It's Learning. I just realized that it says 311, so I'll make sure to change that. But the assignment in It's Learning is 312. And there's three parts with that. So first we're going to be doing a little brainstorm and talking about that. Then we're going to be taking one of those democratic values from your brainstorm and we're going to be putting it into a deep dive, which is this chart here. And then we're going to be putting that into the summative prep. So putting those democratic values into a 4 to 8 sentence CER paragraph. So that's what kind of the final product is for today. And again, thank you guys for stepping up these next few days while I'm out. I'll definitely be thinking about you guys, well, maybe not so much as far as when I'm in Mexico. So thank you, and I'll see you, besides today, obviously, I'll see you next Monday. Take care, guys.